Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it has been a little while. I hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this beautiful and delicious 2-in-1 peanut butter soup. If you want to know how I prepared it, stay tuned. Let's get started. Welcome back, beautiful lovers of good things. Here are the meats we are going to be using. You can use any type of meat of your choice. I have beef meat, ishaki, and cow skin, what we know as pomo. I'm going to season it with some garlic, rosemary, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, and 1 part of onions. You can season your meat with any type of ingredients of your choice. I'm not going to be using too much ingredients. That is why I am doing this in two ways, Ghana and Nigeria. You know, Ghana love to add ginger and garlic to their soup. So after blending it, I pour it inside the meat and I'm going to stir everything. I add my bouillon cube, what we know as maki cube. I add salt. I'm going to stir everything together and allow the ingredients to cook with the meat. I will allow it to steam with the ingredients for 5 minutes. Then I will add enough water to cook the meat properly. Here is my peanuts. I have fried it off camera. I did not finish the peeling. That prevents it from running your stomach if maybe peanut butter soup do run your stomach. I have onions. I have my scotch bonnet pepper. I have salt. I also have my Maggi cube. And I have my microfish and meluza, what we know as white fish. I made it myself. I have my Nigeria oil. Yeah, here are the ingredients we need for this peanut butter soup. I'm going to go ahead and blend all the ingredients that need to be blended. The one you saw earlier is the onions and the scotch bonnet pepper. I blend it and I kept it aside. Also, with the peanut have been blended as well. Now it has turned to peanut butter here, and the meat is well cooked. I'm going to add enough water that will be enough for the soup to cook. Just cook this soup light as you can so that you will enjoy your peanut soup. Here I add the blended onions and the scotch bonnet pepper, and I add enough water as well. I also add my oil and my salt and Maggi cube. Then I also go in with my dry fish as well. Make sure you add all the ingredients at this stage so that everything will cook together and your soup will definitely come out so great and delicious. Yeah, then I will allow it to boil and I will take from the water to mix the peanut butter so that there will not be any seed inside the soup. Then as we wait for the soup to continue to cook, I will go ahead and say thank you to all my old and new subscribers. Thank you for all the love and the support. Thank you for you that is subscribing right now. Thank you. I do really appreciate all my OGs for always tuning in. May God bless you all. And if I confused you earlier, please don't be confused. I said we are making 2-in-1, yeah, Ghana and Nigeria peanut butter soup. I decided to do it this way because Nigeria and Ghana cook alike. Yeah, we cook alike. So many of us have tasted Ghanaian food and we love it, and so many Ghana have tasted Nigeria food and they also love it. I would love to hear your thoughts at the comment section. What you think is the difference with Ghana cooking and Nigeria cooking. One thing I know is that Nigeria love it thick, like they love it thick, and most of Ghana food is very light, especially their soup, and they use more ingredients while they are cooking their soup more than Nigeria. You can see I add that important ingredients from Ghana, which is adding some scotch bonnet pepper to your soup, full, not cut, in full. Oh my goodness. I decided to add one because I don't want the soup to be so spicy, because my kids love this soup as well. We did really enjoy this food. We enjoyed it a lot, and I hope you try this soup and you will love it as well. I try to add much water as I can so that the soup will come out light. And let me know your thoughts if it's different from what I think, that Ghana use more ingredients more than Nigeria. Thank you if you watched to this stage. I do really appreciate you. Are the true lovers of good things. And if you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe, and put on the notification bell for more video. Bye.